MSI made a striking impression at Computex 2025. Held from May 20 to 23 at the Taipei Nangang Exhibition Center. Renowned for pushing the boundaries of gaming and professional computing, MSI showcased a lineup that blended cutting-edge AI capabilities with bold design collaborations. From lacquer-finished art pieces to high-performance handheld consoles, the brand demonstrated how the future of laptops and portable gaming devices can be both beautiful and powerful. At the heart of MSI's booth was the Prestige 13 AI Yukio E-Edition, created in partnership with OKADAYA, Japan's leading lacquerware studio. Drawing inspiration from Hokusai's iconic The Great Wave off Kanagawa, the laptop's lid features a handcrafted lacquer finish that brings the artwork to life. Every raised ridge and vibrant hue is applied by skilled artisans, marrying centuries-old craftsmanship with modern materials. The result is a device that earned the Computex Best Choice Award. Not simply for performance, but for its ability to fuse traditional art with state-of-the-art AI computing. Weighing just 1 kilogram, the Prestige 13 AI Yukio E-Edition offers both portability and a cultural statement, making it an ideal choice for office professionals who value both style and substance. Continuing its successful collaboration with Mercedes-AMG Motorsport, MSI also unveiled two new AI-powered laptops: the Stealth A16i Mercedes-AMG Edition and the Prestige 16 AI Mercedes-AMG Edition. Both models borrow visual cues from high-speed racing, complete with AMG logos and bold accent lines, while packing in compromising hardware. The Stealth A16i offers users the choice of either Intel or AMD processors, paired with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 series graphics. This configuration promises to shatter previous performance limits, whether you're rendering complex AI models or diving into the latest AAA titles. Its slim profile and racer-inspired styling make it a perfect fit for gamers who want both power and panache. On the other hand, the Prestige 16 AI Mercedes-AMG Edition targets creative professionals. A stunning 4K OLED display delivers exceptional color accuracy and contrast, vital for photo and video editing, while an advanced Intel processor ensures smooth performance in demanding applications. Despite its creative focus, it can also handle immersive gaming sessions with ease. MSI rounds out both models with a sleek carry bag, a matching gaming mouse, and a premium mousepad, all designed to reflect the dynamic spirit of Mercedes-AMG. Handheld gaming received its own spotlight with MSI's updated Claw lineup. Building on the success of last year's Claw 8 AI, MSI introduced two variants: the Claw A8 and the Claw 8 AI Polar Tempest. The Claw A8, powered by AMD's Ryzen Z2 Extreme platform, features an 8-inch Full HD display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Equipped with LPDDR5 8000 memory, it delivers smooth visuals and low latency across a wide range of game genres. A comprehensive selection of ports allows seamless connection to external monitors, controllers, and storage devices, expanding the handheld's versatility for both gaming and productivity. For enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance and style, the Claw 8 AI Polar Tempest steps up the game. An Intel Core Ultra 7258 volts processor provides a significant boost in AI, accelerated tasks, and raw gaming power. The device's distinctive white UV-coated shell not only stands out visually, but also adds a premium feel. Internally, a 2TB NVMe SSD offers ample storage for large game libraries and creative projects. The Claw 8 AI Polar Tempest also clinched a Computex Best Choice Award, underscoring MSI's leadership in portable gaming innovations. Beyond laptops and handheld consoles, MSI previewed its next wave of AI-focused gaming machines. New Crosshair and Cyborg series models will feature NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 series GPUs, pushing real-time ray tracing and AI-driven workflows even further. A highlight demonstration on the Raider A18HX showcased MSI's AI robot, an interactive benchmark comparing the AI performance of the RTX 50 series against the previous generation RTX 40 series. The demo illustrated marked improvements in AI task efficiency and overall throughput, affirming MSI's commitment to integrating the latest GPU advancements with proprietary software like the MSI AI Engine and AI Artist. These tools streamline content creation, optimize game settings, and unlock new possibilities for creators and gamers alike. MSI didn't stop at gaming. The company also teased a new concept for its workstation lineup, aimed at business users and mobile professionals. Dubbed the thinnest MSI laptops to date, these models measure just 13.9 mm thick and blend minimalist aesthetics with robust build quality. Available in both traditional clamshell and 2-in-1 convertible form factors, they feature high-resolution OLED touchscreens compatible with stylus input. Internally, they are engineered to support next-generation Intel Panther Lake processors, promising exceptional AI processing capabilities alongside long-lasting battery life. MSI designed these workstations to sustain peak performance throughout a busy day, without needing to recharge, catering to travelers and remote workers who demand reliability. Summing up, MSI's presentation at Computex 2025 highlighted a holistic approach to modern computing, from the art-inspired Prestige 13 AI Ukiyo-e edition to the racing-influenced Mercedes-AMG series, and from handheld champions like the Claw A8 to visionary workstation prototypes. MSI demonstrated how AI integration and thoughtful design can redefine user experiences. The company's ability to partner with cultural icons like Okadaya and Mercedes-AMG, while also spearheading advances in portable gaming and professional laptops, underscores its status as an industry leader. As AI continues to shape the future of hardware, MSI's Computex booth provided a compelling glimpse into a world where performance, creativity, and tradition coexist harmoniously.